I'm guessing this kid is some kind of a ninja. Your mama would be proud. Today, I had alarm clock problems. It went a little something like this. Hello?
Hey, you come to work tomorrow?
I don't know if I can. I think I might have something to do tomorrow.
No, you come to work tomorrow.
Alright, what time?
You come in at 10.
Okay, Mr. Pang, I'll see you then. Leave me alone! Oh God, I'm late.
Why you know at work?
I'm sorry, Mr. Pang, it's my alarm clock. I'm getting ready right now.
Why you not get a new one?
I'm going to, but I'll be there in a few minutes.
Okay. You get here now. Goodbye.
Hey, have you seen my shoes anywhere?
I sure haven't. Why don't you ask that guy in there?
Whoa, 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 whoa! Boo! Boo! I got you! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
I don't think he's gonna know. And that was pretty much my day. Moral of the story is, I hate alarm clocks. So I leave you asking, what is one thing in life that you hate? Leave a comment below and you might get featured on next week's show. Now it's time to once again enjoy some people that cannot spell. Until next week, thanks for watching Social Humor.